Okay. So in this problem, my A is equal to 7, B is equal to 3. Now sum is equal to A plus plus. So the postfix increment means what? First of all, it will assign the value to the particular variable, then after it will increment. So here it will assign 7 first of all. So my sum is equal to 7. Now it will update the variable after execution of the right hand side expression. So in this case, it will assign the value of A to the sum, that is 7. Now it will increment A. So the value of A is equal to 8 after executing this statement. Next, sum is equal to 8 plus 7 plus, now prefix. What do you mean by prefix? In prefix, it will increment the variable, then assign. Yes. In postfix, it will assign first, then increment. Here it will increment first. So the value of B is 4. Then it will assign 4 to the expression. So your sum is equal to 11. So it will print sum is equal to 11. My A is equal to 8. And B is equal to
4.
4. Very good. B is equal to 4. So if I am writing plus plus A, what is the similar statement? A is equal to A plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1. It will immediately assign the new value. Update the new value. One more example. It is most important. Sum is equal to plus plus A plus B. What happened in this case? What will be the answer?
Well.
Huh?
Well.
12. How? First of all, increment A. That is 8. Clear? Then it will assign to the expression. Plus increment B first of all. Then assign. Clear? So my answer is equal to 12. In this case, what will be the answer?
10.
10. Answer is 10. How? Here
It is
it will assign first, then update it. Here it will assign the value first, that is 3. B. Then update B. So in both the case, after executing the statement, the value of A and B are 8 and 4. But the value of sum is 12. in the first example and the value of sum is 10 in the second example, because it is postfix and it is prefix. That is the general rule. In prefix it will update then assign, update then assign. In postfix, assign then update, assign then update. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Now, any question? Any question? Till this point? Anyone?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay. One more example. One more example. But it is complex. Sum is equal to now here more than two expressions. Sorry, more than two operand. Here total three operand. Please mute yourself. More than three operand here. So what the compiler will do? Right now the interview questions.
22,
The last one was very simple.
20, 26.
Yes.
Now the answer will be different for every student. The answer will be different for every student. Please think on that.
22, sir. 22.
22.
22. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer?
20.
20.
20. Only 20.
Okay, only 20. Dharmendra sir, 21. Any other answer?
21.
21. So 20, 21, 22. There are total three answers. So how the compiler will execute? If you have more than two operand. So compiler will separate out first two operand by parenthesis. It will execute first of all these two operand. Now both the operand are prefix. Clear? Both the operand are prefix. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Prefix operation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
happened in prefix operation? Tell me. What happened?
And
First
then
then assign.
And both the operand are same. Both are A. Both the operand are same. A. Operation with A.
left.
So what happened first of all? Update.
Update and assign.
Yes, prefix है. तो A का update क्या होगा?
8.
8. Yes. Okay then.
8 plus 7.
No.
8
Here
plus
it will
6.
assign at the end. Here 8. Again it will update this 8. Again it will update this 8. So here minus. So again 8.
6.
7. 8 માંથી 7 થાય ને. First of all it was 8. Then you update.
Okay, sir.
When you update this first expression, first operation, then it is 8. Then again if you update this the second operand, then it is 7. So it will assign 7 to both the operand. So the answer is 14 first of all. 7 plus 7, 14. 7 plus 7, 14. Clear? Hello?
સર ફરી ના ખબર પડી.
સર ફરી એક વખત ના ખબર પડી.
ફરી કાગ એક વખત. Okay. 1 minute. जब भी जब भी आपका दोनों ऑपरेंड सेम है, यहाँ पे दोनों ऑपरेंड क्या है, ए, क्या है, ए, हियर द ऑपरेशन विद ए in both the case, and if both the operand having a prefix operation, so again the operation is also same, prefix and operand is also same, which is a. So in this case it will update the first operand. So क्या होगा यहाँ पे, अपडेट प्लस प्लस है, प्रीफिक्स, पहले
8
अपडेट देन असाइन, तो क्या होगा, अपडेट
8
यस, क्लियर, ये इतना क्लियर,
yes
okay. Now it will not assign to this expression, it will move to here, again update this expression, चलो अपडेट करो, अपडेट दिस
7
एक्सप्रेशन, एक ही वैल्यू 8
7
लेके यहाँ पे आया है, 8 लेके
7
यस,
7
माइनस माइनस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, 7, yes or no,
yes sir
okay. So it will then assign to the expression to the both the operand, which is 7 plus 7, so it is 14. Now plus, now it will include the third term, it will include the third term. Now here what happened,
7
yes, एक ही वैल्यू
Assign
लिया, लास्ट वैल्यू वाज 7,
7
तो ये केस
7
में क्या होता है, यहाँ पे क्या है, पोस्ट फिक्स, सो इन पोस्ट फिक्स ऑपरेशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Assign.
असाइन,
then
देन
update
अपडेट, तो एक ही वैल्यू क्या हो गई, 8, एंड देन आंसर इज
21.
21
21. Okay, now one more example, try to solve this example. Keep in mind the rules, keep in mind the rules. Please find out the answer of this expression. Please find out the answer of this expression.
ट्वेंटी
20, okay.
20.
20. सबका आंसर सेम होना चाहिए, हो भाई, सबका 20 और एनी अदर आंसर, and try to execute this code in code block. Then after, जो मैंने करवाया वो कोड ब्लॉक में एग्जीक्यूट करना, फर्स्ट ईयर में सिखाया था ऐसा कुछ, टिपिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स, एनी अदर आंसर एक्सेप्ट 20? No? Hello?
No,
Sir,
sir.
16.
Huh?
16, sir, 16.
16.
16.
One more answer is 16. Okay.
Yes, sir. 16.
Okay. Okay. So what happened first of all? Compiler will, it is left to right execution. Left to right execution. First of all, it will take two operand. Here both the operations are different. One is prefix, second one is postfix. So here what happened? Update. Update क्या हुआ? Hello?
8.
8. Then assign immediately because the second
8.
operation is postfix. Two different operations. Clear? If
Yes,
you
sir.
have two different operation, then directly it will assign to the particular expression. Now move here. Now what is the value of A?
8.
8. But here operation
A
is
plus plus. A plus postfix
postfix means assign,
and update.
then update. Now the last value of A is 9, that you have to keep in mind. Here the answer is
16.
16. Good. Then minus operation. इसको लो अभी.
Update and assign.
Yes, it is
10.
prefix. So update 10, assign 10. Answer
6
6
plus
plus
10.
यस इसको नीचे उतारो. यहाँ पे पोस्ट फिक्स
10.
पोस्ट फिक्स. So assign first, then update.
11.
Clear? पोस्ट फिक्स में क्या होगा? Assign first, then update. So answer is 16. And value of A is 11. And value of A is 11. At the end of this execution, value of A is 11 and sum is equal to 16. Any confusion?
Sir, suppose both condition is postfix, then prefix.
Yes.
Sorry, both will postfix. A plus
Yes.
plus plus A plus
Okay.
plus minus
Okay.
plus plus.
Okay, okay. Great question. Great question. Here one more. Chalo. That is the problem. This is the problem. It will separate out these two and in case of postfix, what happened? चलो ये क्या है हमारा? In case of postfix, what happened? क्या होता है?
First assign.
Assign, then
Assign, then update.
Directly assign, update. Move here.
Assign update.
Assign 8, update
9.
9. So here 7 plus 8,
15.
15 plus
10.
here prefix. So first of all update,
Then assign.
then assign. So answer is
25.
25. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इससे डिफिकल्ट कोई कॉम्बिनेशन हो ही नहीं सकता अभी. We have covered all the combinations. So if I give you this type of problem, you can easily solve. Now all of you will get the same answer. Try this. any complex problem. You all will get the same answer for this if you follow the rules. Here two different prefix and postfix.
27.
So 27.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes, sir. 27.
सबका सही आएगा.
Sir.
Yes. Yellow.
27.
Any other answer from anyone?
No, sir.
No. You all will get the same answer, 27. Okay, so please keep in mind this type of problem. Keep in mind this type of problem.
Okay, sir.
How to solve?
First,
Separate out
update
the
then.
first two operand, two expressions. Separate out first two expressions. If both are prefix, then assign at last. If prefix, postfix, no problem. It is very simple. Both are postfix, then again very simple. These are the only possible combinations. One is prefix, one is postfix. Both are prefix, both are postfix. Then after you have to use one by one. Thus you have to keep concentration on first two operand only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So